Welcome, friends. Jesus said, "Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness." This is not a physical hunger or thirst. It is a spiritual or emotional yearning, a deep and unquenched desiring. So does God yearn this way? Yes, He does. God yearns for His own righteousness or innocence, one might say, to be known by mankind. Most of humanity sees a lion-like God right now, a treacherous and devastating God. They see a deity that causes horrific natural disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, mudslides, hurricanes, and tornadoes. They see a deity that causes disease and tragedy in our personal lives. And even if they deny His causing of such events, they insist that He at least allows them for some unknowable purpose. Neither of these are accurate, and God yearns desperately that we know His innocence and His lamb-like nature in these matters. God is not above yearning. Godspeed, my friends.